Hi everyone! In this video here today, we're going to be looking at what it's like for you to be in a room with a person who has a disorganized attachment. Let's get started. Alright, so what is it like for you to be in a room with a person who has a disorganized attachment if you don't have a disorganized attachment yourself? By and large, what you will feel like, and when I say feel like, I kind of mean what you'll think and what you'll actually feel, and the kind of tendencies for behavior and so on and so forth. I'm using the word feel quite loosely here. Anyway, what it will feel like for you is that it's almost as though you were on the brink of causing harm. Like you were on the brink of either being fully loved by them, appreciated completely by them, or that they will completely hate you and you have caused harm. And despite your best efforts to just present as a calm, caring, rational, loving person, there's this sense, this eerie sense within you that if you get one thing or the other wrong, that might make the other person kind of completely shift their opinion about you. Now, I just want to qualify that that feeling that you have is not something to blame the person with the disorganized attachment for. It's not actually their genuine opinion of you. It's rather that their childhood has been so chaotic and so abusive and there's been so much trauma that their traumatic brain is trying to figure you out and place you someplace in their mind. And because they've had so much hurt and harm in their brain, their mind is trying to kind of ultimately place you as good or ultimately place you as bad. And whether you are good or whether you are bad, in their mind, you are bad for them. If you're good for them, then you will turn bad and you're only good because of some reason to them. And if you're bad, well, then you're bad straight off the bat because of one thing or the other. So that's how you'll feel when you're in a room with a person who has a disorganized attachment if you don't match that attachment yourself. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet in this video because it's a response to a comment that someone made and said, can you just explain really shortly what it would feel like to be in a room with someone with disorganized attachment? And this was actually another therapist, and I thought that would be helpful for you as a therapist to kind of start noticing that, or even as a person out on a date or whatever, that kind of the chaotic nature of what goes on for you in your own mind, and this kind of thin line nature that it's almost like you're yourself in a sense in danger of causing harm or being split in some way or another. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please press like and subscribe and let other people know about the channel if you can, please. And I'll see you again for the next one.